Yes, tell me. What is the reason, Amma? Why you kept your fridge on ground, your body on ground, dining table on ground?
Due to gravity.
Due to gravity. Very good answer. Mass is one of the biggest entity, Amma. If you keep it freely suspended body, what will happen, Amma? What will happen? Whether it will be permanently fixed or it is only temporarily you can manage it.
Temporarily managed. No.
Temporarily only. After some times it may fell down. How many times you observed? Fan will fell down, Amma. Chusara epputra? Fan padpoindra paina fan. I'm not talking about today you locked, tomorrow it will fell down. I'm talking about 1 year, 10 year, 5 years. There may be a number of reasons, but it is a freely suspended body. So due to continuous, because that fan is freely suspended, so hinges will be get corroded, rusted, or it may be damaged. There are so many reasons. It is not a permanent fixture. You cannot believe it 100%. Epatra vinnava table that dining table fell down and can you observe?
No, sir.
No, it is a fixed entity, Amma. Only certain things only we will keep it on VP, that is a vertical plane, that is wall clock, TV. TV ఎప్పుడరా కింద పెట్టావరా? టీవీ పెట్టావా కింద? ఇప్పుడు ఏం చేయి, ఇంటికి వెళ్ళిన తర్వాత టీవీ గ్రౌండ్ దగ్గర పెట్టి చూసు. We won't do, Amma. So only few of the things we will make it freely suspended on VP, but with mountings. చూసారా ఎప్పుడరా? How you kept clock, Amma? Directly clock you kept?
No, sir.
No, we will use hinges. We will use supporting entity. So that's why always be careful about that. So majority components which are existing in nature will lie on HP. Only minority components will lie on VP. Idea vachinda? So maximum problems are HP problems. Note down. I kept both. Two things you have to do. One, continuously note down, but your mouth should continuously give information. Once you finish first two stages, please tell me. I will keep it third stage and make it fast. I want to take one more problem and I will wind up. Aim problem, 100 problem chestenu ide story. Story does not change. Where it is placed, how it is placed, take angle, project it, draw it, whether it is a pentagon or prism or hexagon, that does not make any difference. So that's why how many problem I will solve, it is not satisfactory, because all methodology will only two things. It is resting median problem or it is resting on side. Jagratham chuskondi. One more third variety I will tell now. That I will take cylinder. Can I make it second and third stage?
Sir.
Our class roll number start with 482. Anyone?
4A9, sir.
4A9, sir.
And last one is 4A9 to
234.
no. In that series only 4 series
45. 45.
4A9 B0 C1 up to D5 or D up to
D5.
D5. That is how to tell. After that same thing, it's 5A9 to
5 5D5.
then 12
29 to 34.
34. Okay. I am not in Hyderabad, Amma. So that's why I don't have any attendance register. Simply, I am engaging the class. I am out of station. But wherever I am carrying your instruments. Hey, when you have again next practice session?
Monday, sir.
Yes. ఎప్పుడమ్మా
Monday, sir.
మండే ఉందా చూడండి మండే ఐ విల్ కమ్ బ్యాక్ మండే ఐ విల్ బి
Monday
దేర్
first period.
ఓకే అమ్మా ఐ విల్ సీ ఐ హావ్ లిస్ట్ ఆఫ్ సో మెనీ సెక్షన్స్ సో మెనీ కన్ఫ్యూజన్స్ ఆర్ దేర్ ఐ డోంట్ నో బట్ స్టిల్ మండే ఐ విల్ బి దేర్ come with minute after practice these problems amma. And if you draw yourself one problem, you are the fully experienced person. You can solve third unit without anyone's help. That I can give assurance. Once finished, let me know, Amma. I will take one more problem. And that is the last problem. And one more thing, Amma, if I draw on pentagon, you can draw the same problem by hexagon, triangle, square, cylinder, everything. Aimlet shape will get changed. One variety, 5 types you can solve. Only 2 major variety, resting on side, resting on median problem. Next class onwards. Offline, it is only practice session. Next class onwards, I will start unit 4. Please tell all of them to join. Unit 4 and unit 5 is very much important. Easy, simple, understandable. Finished?
Last part is the sir.
Okay. Trigesh, please mail to me or you mail to Sahil. Sahil? Sahil,
Yes, sir.
you just take this video from Trigesh and keep it in group amma, code now group. Okay.
Yes, sir. I will upload in the channel.
Okay, amma. Okay. Please with title projection of solids. Sahil, why you are absent for last class?
Sir, I was suffering from fever, sir.
What about now status?
Now it is fine, sir.
I know Monday you are expected, huh?
Yes, sir. I will be coming on Monday, sir.
Okay, okay. One thing I want to tell everyone, if mentally strong, physically strong, amma. Correct? Hmm?
Yes, sir.
Correct? So always be mentally strong. Finished? I can take only 2 problems in 2 slots, amma. 40 minutes, maximum 2 problems. Yes, Bhavya, Pragati, finished. ఏం రెస్పాన్స్ లేదు ఏం లేదు
Yes, sir. Finished, sir.
Yes, sir.
Take one more problem. A cone of 50 mm base diameter a cone of 50 mm base diameter a cone of 50 mm base diameter cone of 50 mm base diameter and 60 mm axis length and 60 mm axis length a cone of 50 mm base diameter and 60 mm axis length rest on HP on one of its generators on one of its generators full stop. Draw its projection rest on HP on one of its generator rest on HP on one of its generators full stop. Draw its projection when the axis is inclined to VP at 30 degree. Draw its projection when the axis is inclined to VP at 30 degree. Inclined to VP at 30 degree. Finished? Noted down.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
See, here only one angle is given, but it is still 3-stage problem. One angle is given, but still it is 3-stage problem. Now, same procedure. In procedure, there is nothing. What is given, it is none. First, draw XY line. This is X. Take. What is the given object, Amma? Where it is placed?
Cone,
Where it is placed?
HP,
How it is placed? How it is placed? There is no question of how it is placed. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Why? 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 How it is placed? Question, Radhamma. Anyone? Circle does not have any corner and side. Agree? Yes, sir.
Yes,
No.
Sir.
Corner ledante how it is placed? Earlier polygons are having side or corner. Where it is placed down HP, how it is placed side or corner, but circle does not have side or corner. Okay, నీ ఇష్టం వచ్చింది నీ corner, నీ ఇష్టం వచ్చింది side. I will divide this circle into 8 parts. Cycloid, can you remember? I divided how many parts? Cycloid.
Eight parts or 12 parts.
Cycloid. ఏమి ఇష్టం వచ్చింది చెప్పాలి అంతే. 12 parts I divided, but now I am dividing 8. You can divide 4 also, but I want to tell why I am dividing 8. So I divided 8 parts. Name it. It is a prism or pyramid? Prism or pyramid? చెప్పండి. Prism or pyramid? Cone is a prism or pyramid?
Pyramid.
పిరమిడ్ రా నీ ఐస్ క్రీమ్ కోన్ పిరమిడ్ అమ్మా. కోన్ అంటే ఏం పెద్ద కోన్ లేదు, నీ ఐస్ క్రీమ్ కోన్ బేస్ ఉంది, అపెక్స్ ఉంది. సో ఇట్ ఈస్ పిరమిడ్. ఐ విల్ యూజ్ 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. Finished. Only one face. Draw the axis line. How much it is given? 60. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It is 60. 60 is apex. Draw this line. Measure. It is 60. Right. Project all the lines. Name that. Only one base. 1 dash visible, 2 dash visible, 8 dash not visible, 3 dash visible, 7 dash not visible. This is O1 dash also. 4 dash visible, 6 dash not visible. It is 5 dash. Make this base dark. Extreme end. 5 dash. Join with apex. This. Join with apex. This 2 is visible, 8 is not visible, but still make it dark. 3 is visible, make it dark. This is visible, make it dark. All generators of one side is visible, other side is not visible. Finish. This circle no dark cheyalama, because I use light color pencil. I always use in compass 2H pencil only. So that's why I will get light circle. Until now, I want circle only for this is circle. Right. Next, because circle is object. Here there is no HP angle, amma. HP ichara. I am talking to you people. There is no HP angle.
No HP, sir.
No HP, amma. Direct phi is given. Phi is equal to 30 degree. Listen, and always cone cylinder problem maximum or median problem only. Listen, what he told, read that question. A cone with a 50 mm diameter and a 60 mm axis length rests on HP on one of its generator. Phi and O is a generator. Phi dash and O dash is a generator. 1 dash O dash is also generator. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
Ice cream cone, instead of keeping on base, keep it on sleeping mode. Jagratam student. Yeah. Which side you want, amma? 5 dash O dash you want or 1 dash O dash? You define. You tell me. Which one you want? I will make it in sleeping mode.
5 dash O dash.
5 dash O dash. Measure 5 dash O dash. So how much it is? Listen carefully. 5 dash. I am measuring 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 64. Kanpadtunda? 64. Visible? Student, 1
Yes.
inch measure. 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 64. Em cheyadamma. E point nunchi 64 measure cheyali. See. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 64. What my point? How much? 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 64. Agree? Agree?
Yes, sir.
This is phi dash and this is O dash. What happened, amma? It is resting on ice cream cone rack. Instead of base, make it sleeping mode. Checha. Ice cream cone, take empty ice cream cone. You can try. Take one, you can keep it on base. Can you keep it ice cream cone on apex? Can you keep it ice cream cone on apex? Apex, statically, no, it cannot. Then you have to make it on one generator. So 5 dash O dash I taken. You may take 1 dash O dash also, nothing wrong after that. Can I measure 5 dash to A dash 1 dash, amma? Can I measure 5 dash to 1 dash? Kanpadtunda? Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
ఏం చేయదురా 5 dash నుంచి ఒకటి ఆర్క్ పట్టు. I don't know where it is. Reverse 1 dash to O dash measure చేయి. 1 dash to O dash కనపడుతుందా? Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
ఏం లేదురా O dash ఆల్రెడీ నా దగ్గర ఇక్కడ ఉంది. ఇది కట్ చేయి. This point is called 1 dash, amma. Join all. Who is that? Somebody is making noise. See, idu nee ice cream cone, amma, sleeping on base. Kanpadtunda? Same
Yes,
object
sir.
set on one of its generator on HP. On HP with one of its generator, which you take this side or that side, does not make any difference. Right. After this measure, it will come at midpoint. How much it is? 50. 50 means 2.5. Draw the axis line. Everything again you have to do in a reverse manner. This is axis line. This point is O1 dash. Measure other corresponding. This point is 3 dash, 7 dash. Similarly, measure with respect to this side. 10, 15, 17. 10, 15, 17. Both sides 17. From here, measure 17. Measure 17. This point is 4 dash 6 dash. This point is 2 dash 8 dash. Join them. Finish the same figure I draw. Agree? Here, talent is that object may rest on ground also. There is no hard and every time angle until aim rule ledu. He is resting directly on ground. Okay, after this, project this O dash. Same procedure. Project this O1. First axis line కింద తీసుకొని రావాలి. Always target axis only. This is O and this is O1. Project all the lines. Project this line. Project this line. Already this is projected. Project this line. Project this line. Project this line. Project these two lines. Already these two are projected. Project this line. Project this line. Name it. Jagratam chudandi. 5 dash will come outside amma. 5 out tundi. Jagratam amma. 1 ledu. 1 is inside. This is 1. See. 2. This is 8. This is 2. This is 3. This is 7. This is 4. This is 6. Jagrata. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Take experiment. 1 to 7. Take this experiment. 3 to 7. Now, I kept in such a way that this face should be visible. Draw very smooth curve. Draw very smooth curve. Because once circle is tilted, it will become a ellipse. It will become a ellipse. Finish. Now you want to draw this internal line, draw or leave it. Nothing. Because I want smooth curve, that's why I divided into 8 parts. I may take only 4 parts also. Because ice cream cone, it is my wish to divide 8 parts, 12 parts, 24 parts. Only to get smooth curve, I take that. Finish. Any doubts? Any doubts?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Got it. Very good. Idu ఒకటి join చేసుకోండి. Idu ఒకటి. Right. After this, take third stage. It is median problem. That's why I taken. Whether it's a prism or pyramid, whether 2 angles are given or not given, it does not matter. It is now. Here, no need to take locus line. Directly you can take 30 degree. Why? I will tell. Reason. I am drawing like this. Whether I have to draw like this or draw like this, tell me. This is method you want or this method you want? Because why I
Left side.
this or this?
No, sir.
One, this one,
Second.
this this
No, sir.
this.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Take this. This has a 30 degree. Draw this line. This is why if you take locus also nothing wrong. But if you won't take also, nothing wrong. Why? Next, what I will do, now see very carefully. O I will fix and O I will take nearest to this. O, because O is the only apex. It cannot cross that entity. So that's why it is safer zone. Nearest to that. O. Next. First method, true median. How much? 60. Same and 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is 6. This is O1. Right. Draw the locus line. O1, locus line. Next. Take this O2, O1A. O2, O1A. See. Check. This. O is already fixed. Cut. See, this angle is very marginal. O1A. Right. O1A. So that is the O1A. This. Right. After this. Same thing we have to copy. So now we got beta angle. We got this as a beta. Now take this. First measure 195. How much it is, Amma? It is almost all 12. O1A. Measure 12. Measure 12. So how much? Internal point is 1. External is 5. So 1, 5 we got. Now left out point you take. Same with respect to this. Very simple to get it. 1 to 6. 5 to 6. First take 5 to 6. 5 to 4 same. 5 to 6. 5 to 4. 5 to 6. Reverse. 1 to 6. 1 to 4. 1 to 6. 1 to 4. See. Next. 1 to 5 to 7. 5 to 3. 5 to 7. Next. 1 to 7. Almost all same, Amma, because it is. Take this. 1. Cut. Cut this point. See that here somewhere it is not cutting. I will drag it later. 5 to 8. 5 to 8 and 5 to 2 same. 5 to 8. Then 1 to 8. 1 to 2. This is 8. This is 2. See what I will do. This slide little bit drag it. Here it is drag it. It is 1. It is 2. It is 3. It is 4. 5. This is 6. This is 7. This is 8. Join very smooth curve. 1 to 2. 2 to 3. 3 to 4. 4 to 5. 5 to 7. 7 to 8. 8 to this. Join extreme and sum. 7. 3. To get this smooth curve only I taken these many points. This is the location. Drag this Y line. Take O. O is here only. No need to take this. Obviously, it is O dash. Take O1 first. Take this O1. This is O1 dash. Next, 1. Where is 1 number? 1 is at top. 2. Take 2 is also at top. 3. 3 is on axis line. 4. This is 4. 5. 5 is lying down. Generator. 6. Draw 6 here. 7. Draw 7 on XY line. 8. Draw 8. See. Project all the lines. One. 2. 3 is already there. Take this line. Marking of point is very much important. 1. This is 1. 1 dash. 2. 2 dash. 3. 3 dash. 4. 4 dash. 5. 5 dash. 6. 6 dash. 7. 7 dash. It is 8 dash. See. Join with. I kept in such a way that this space should be visible. That's why I'm telling. Keeping the object in such a way that O dash. This is O dash. Take this extreme end. Take up to here. This space is completely visible, Amma. Make one.